welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. Thanks for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. We received some good mystery offers this week. We received a $3 CRT for Maybelline, and we also received a $4 CRT that can work for CoverGirl or Revlon. So be careful with the CRT because you can only use it once with either deal. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And let's go find some deals. The first deal I have here will be a very easy deal that you can do on Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99. It's not giving back any extra care box, but we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to just 98 cents for both or 49 cents each. The next deal I have here will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 extra care box back. And this is a limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the Crest 3D whites. Both items will total $9.98. We have 2 digital coupons that will work on this deal. One is a 3 off 2, and one is just $1 off. Both will double dip, and I also have these 2 off 7 Crest CRT. That will drop it down to $3.98, and you get $5 extra care box back, which will end up making both toothpaste free and $1.02 moneymaker. If you don't have the 2 of 7 Crest CRT, your subtotal will be $5.98, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both toothpaste just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics, and it's on the deal of buy 2, get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend Pencil, priced at $5.79 each. These 2 items are going to total $11.58. Use 2 $3 coupon that you can get from coupons.com. That's the one I'm showing. And we also have one in our app in case you only have one. And in 421 savings set, you can also use 2 coupons from there. Today we received a $4 CoverGirl mystery offer that can work for Revlon or CoverGirl. Pick which deal you want to use the CRT with. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it will drop it down to $1.58, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both free and $3.42 moneymaker. The next deal I have will be on Revlon Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 15, get $6 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll keep this deal very simple. Pick up 1 of the Revlon liquid lipstick priced at $15.49. Last week we received a $5 mystery offer that extended to this week, and today we received another $4 mystery offer that is working on Revlon and CoverGirl. I have a 2 of 10 Revlon CRT, and with the 3 CRTs, it will drop it down to $4.49, and you get $6 extra care box back, making it free and $1.51 moneymaker. The next deal I have is when you spend $15 on Maybelline Cosmetics, you get $5 extra care box back. Pick up 1 of the Maybelline Express Brow Pencil, priced at $10.99. Then the second item will be the Maybelline Baby Lips, priced at $4.99. These 2 items are going to total $15.98. Today we received a $3 mystery offer for Maybelline, and I also have a 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT. The 2 CRTs will drop it down to $9.98, and you get $5 extra care box back. Then check your Ibotta because the brow pencil is giving back $2, and it's a limit of 1. After the $2 back, these 2 items will end up costing just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal is on Neutrogena Acne Care, and they're on the deal of spend 10, get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash, priced at $10.99. I have a $3 off acne CRT I received in my email that is attaching to this product. And I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena CRT. The 2 CRTs will drop it down to $4.99, and you get $4 extra care box back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $4 extra care box on Neutrogena or Aveeno Facial Care, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Cleanser, priced at $8.99 each. Both will total $17.98. Use two of the $2 coupon. We have one in our app and can also print one from coupons.com. I have the $3 off facial care CRT I got in my email, and I also have a 5 off 15 Aveeno facial care CRT. After all these CRTs and the coupons come off, it will drop it down to $5.98, and you get $4 extra care box back, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Another way you can do this deal if you don't mind paying more is by picking up the facial cream that is right next to the cleanser priced at $15.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon for it. And after all the coupons come off, it will drop it down to $11.98, and you get $4 extra care box back, and that will make both products just $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal is on Palmer's Skincare. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $6 extra care box back. Pick up two of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Lotion, priced at $8.59. The second item is going to cost $4.30, and the total for both items will be $12.89. I checked the app and we don't have any coupon attaching to these products, but if you have lotion CRT, you can add it to this deal. Without any coupon, pay the $12.89 and get $6 extra care box back, making both just $6.89 or $3.45 each. The next deal I have here is on Nivea Shave products. They're on the deal of buy two, get $7 extra care box back. Pick up two of the men's shave cream, priced at $6.59 each. Both will total $13.18. We don't have any coupon in the app, and we don't have any Ibotta rebate on these products. But I have a 3 off 12 shave CRT that will apply to this deal. That will drop it down to $10.18, and you get $7 extra care box back, making both just $3.18 or $1.59 each. The next deal I have will be on Degree deodorant or dry spray, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 extra care box back. Pick up two of the Degree Men Dry Spray. They are priced at $7.79, and the second item will be $3.90. These two products will total $11.68. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 6 deodorant CRT. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $5.69, and you get $3 extra care box back. Check your fetch, cause mine has a 1500 points when you buy two. After the fetch points back, that will end up making these two dry spray just $1.19 or 60 cents each. The next deal I have here will be on Dove liquid hand wash. They are part of the buy two get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up two of the Dove liquid hand soap. They are priced at $5.79 each. Both will total $11.58. We received a $3.99 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.59, and you get $3 extra care box back, making both just $4.59 or $2.30 each. Another hand soap deal I found today will be on Grove Collaborative. They're on the deal of buy two, get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up two. They are priced at $4.79 each. Both will total $9.58. We don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because they are not on sale. Without the percentage of CRT, pay the $9.58 and get $3 extra care box back, making it just $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have will be on St. Ives body wash. They are part of the buy two get $4 back, and it's on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up two of the body wash, priced at $5.99. The second item is going to be $3, and these two will total $8.99. I don't have any coupon in the app that is attaching to this. Pay the $8.99 and get $4 extra care box back, and that will end up making these two items just $4.99 or $2.50 each. The next deal I have here will be on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2, they are priced at $4.99 each, and both will total $9.98. Use the 2 of 2 CRT we received last week. If you sent it to card or you printed it, it's extended. And we also received a 3 of 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.98. And you get $4 extra care box back. And that will make these 2 products just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Scott bar tissue is on sale for $10.79, and they are part of the buy 2 get $5 extra care box back. Pick up 1, and to complete this deal, pick up one of the Scott 8 double roll paper towel on sale for $10.79. These 2 items are going to total $21.58. For the Scott paper towel, we have a dollar coupon in our app, but for the bar tissue, we don't have any coupon for it. That will drop it down to $20.58, and you get $5 extra care box back, which will end up making these 2 products $15.58 or $7.79 each. You can also check Scott website to see if you can print out any coupon. The next 2 deals I have is not giving back any extra care box, and the first one is on General Mills cereal on sale for $1.99 each. Pick up 2 of the Cheerios. Both will total $3.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2, and that will end up making these 2 cereal boxes just $1.98 or 99 cents each. And the last deal I have in this video will be the Nature Valley granola bar. They're on sale for $1.99 each. Pick up 2, and both will total $3.98. We have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.48. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2, which will end up making these 2 boxes just $2.48 or $1.24 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, thank you all for joining me, and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.